How can I cancel my transaction with Rocket Money? Intro. Hey there, you've just made a purchase online, and suddenly a notification pops up about a subscription you didn't remember signing up for. You're not sure what to do, and you're worried about losing money. Hook. Have you ever found yourself in this situation? If so, you're not alone. Many people have faced the frustration of unwanted subscriptions, especially those related to financial services. Today, we're going to talk about one such service, Rocket Money. Building context. Rocket Money, formerly known as Trim, is a popular financial app designed to help users manage their finances. It offers features like bill negotiation, subscription management, and credit monitoring. While it can be a useful tool, there might be times when you decide to cancel a transaction or subscription. Main content. Understanding Rocket Money transactions. Before we dive into the cancellation process, let's clarify what types of transactions you might encounter with Rocket Money. Bill negotiation. Rocket Money negotiates your bills with service providers. If successful, you'll see a reduced amount on your bill. Subscription management. Rocket Money helps you identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Credit monitoring. This feature tracks your credit score and alerts you to any suspicious activity. Reasons for cancellation. There could be several reasons why you might want to cancel a transaction or subscription with Rocket Money. Unsuccessful negotiation. If Rocket Money couldn't negotiate a better deal for your bill, you might want to cancel the transaction. Unwanted subscription. You might have accidentally subscribed to a service or discovered a subscription you no longer need. Dissatisfaction with service. If you're not happy with Rocket Money's performance, you might decide to cancel your subscription. How to cancel a transaction or subscription. Now, let's get to the main question. How do you cancel a transaction or subscription with Rocket Money? 1. Access your Rocket Money account. Open the Rocket Money app on your smartphone or visit their website. 2. Locate the transaction or subscription. Look for the specific transaction or subscription you want to cancel. This could be in the bills or subscriptions section. 3. Cancel the transaction or subscription. Usually, there will be a cancel or unsubscribe button next to the transaction or subscription. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. 4. Confirm cancellation. Rocket Money might ask you to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation. Additional tips. Check cancellation policy. Before canceling, review Rocket Money's cancellation policy to understand any fees or restrictions. Contact customer support. If you're having trouble canceling or have questions, reach out to Rocket Money's customer support. Review your finances. After canceling, review your finances to ensure that the transaction or subscription has been successfully canceled and that there are no recurring charges. Conclusion. Canceling a transaction or subscription with Rocket Money is generally straightforward. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to easily manage your finances and avoid unwanted charges. Outro. Remember, if you're ever unsure about something or encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Rocket Money's customer support. They're there to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.